Hi here guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we will be looking to gold chart for analysis. Let's move to Forex Factory to check if there is any news. So now here we have the 1 2 3 4 medium impact news. Now let's mark the demand and supply zone, also label them. Here is our demand zone. And here is our so-called supply zone. Right now we are on 15 minutes time frame. Let's move to the higher time frame of 4 hour. Now we have to mark the supply zone and the demand zone for the 4 hour time frame. Now let me select the path tool for elaboration. Now if the market reaches the supply zone by creating higher highs and it doesn't breaks the supply zone after retracement, we will go for the sell. And if it breaks the zone from the upper side after the retracement from the upper side, we will go for the buy, and vice versa is the case for the demand zone. Now for the 15-minute time frame, same thing will be happening and the respective decision will be taken for the respective condition. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I will catch you guys up in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.